Hey guys, what's up? And it's time to do a speed test comparison between the Vivo S1 Pro and the Huawei Y9s. And the Huawei Y9s comes with a Huawei Kirin 710F CPU with a 6GB of RAM, while the Vivo S1 Pro comes with a Snapdragon 665 chipset with 8GB of RAM. And we have a triple cameras on the back on the Y9s versus a quad cameras on the back on the Vivo S1 Pro. So let's see how much the difference between the S1 Pro and the Huawei Y9s in head-to-head speed test battle. Like always, let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time. And logo came up first on the Huawei Y9s, followed by the Vivo S1 Pro. And let's see which one is going to be the fastest one. And you can see Huawei Y9s is faster when it comes to booting up, while the Vivo S1 Pro, now it is also done. About 2 or 3 second difference between these devices, and both phones comes with a full HD display, but we have a Super AMOLED display with an in-display fingerprint scanner on the S1 Pro versus a LCD display on the Huawei Y9s. So like always, everything is closed up in the background, and you can see in the first application I'm gonna open is the phone dialer, and both phones is on the same Wi-Fi network. Here we go, and you can see that is faster on the Vivo Huawei Y9s, followed by the Vivo S1 Pro opening up the settings, and that felt a little bit quicker on the Huawei Y9s, followed by the S1 Pro. Music on both phones, and that is definitely faster on the Vivo S1 Pro. Let's see the calendar, and that was about the same on both phones, no difference there. So moving on with my files, because I am interested in the RAM measurement performance, and a little bit faster on the S1 Pro. S1 Pro comes with a very smooth animation, while the Huawei Y9s comes with a fast animation, which I don't like. Opening up the calculator, and faster again on the Y9s, followed by the Vivo S1 Pro. So opening up the YouTube on both phones, faster on the Huawei Y9s, followed by the S1 Pro. So let's launch some games application, and first on the list is the Candy Crush Saga, and let's see which one perform better in the game app loading time. Faster on the Y9s, and S1 Pro is also right behind there. So let's see the Subway Surfer, and faster again on the Huawei Y9s with the Kirin 710F chipset versus a Snapdragon 665. So last game application we have is the Temple Run 2, and seems like Y9s is little bit faster. Yes, it is little bit faster, little bit I have to say, than the Vivo S1 Pro, and you can see about half a second difference there. And you can see system based application faster on the Y9s, as well as the game app loading time, it was quicker on the Huawei Y9s. So last I'm gonna launching the cameras on both phones. Default camera app, that was exactly the same on both phones. Let's see the internet browsing speed. I am using Vivo internet browser on the Vivo S1 Pro versus a Google Chrome on the Huawei Y9s, same Wi-Fi network as well. Wikipedia.org first website, and that is faster on the Huawei Y9s, followed by the S1 Pro. Scrolling is very smooth on both phones. So next on the list is the apple.com, and that feels like faster on the S1 Pro. And you can see Huawei Y9s is a little bit faster there, while the Vivo S1 Pro, now it is also done. So let's see the scrolling, and you can see scrolling looks very smooth on both phones, no lag whatsoever. Same thing with zooming in and out on the iPhone 11 Pro. So let's check out the RAM measurement on both phones, and 6GB RAM versus a 8GB RAM. So let's see which one perform better in the RAM measurement. And phone dialer, no refresh on both phones. So we have settings on the S1 Pro, music, and that is also not refresh on both phones. Again, you guys are the judge of the speed test. Let's moving on with my files, that is not refresh on both phones. Let's see calculator, again no refresh on both phones. So far both phones perform really good in the RAM measurement because both phones comes with a very large amount of RAM, and also not refresh. Let's see subwoofer, again no refresh. Both phones perform incredible in the RAM measurement because Vivo S1 Pro comes with a very large amount of 8 GB of RAM with a good optimization. So last we are back to the internet browser, and you can see overall I have to say that the app's opening speed is faster on the Huawei Y9s in system based application, as well as a game uploading time. It was quicker than the Vivo S1 Pro. Vivo S1 Pro is right behind to the Huawei Y9s. RAM management is absolutely incredible on both phones. Vivo S1 Pro comes with a full HD Super AMOLED display with an in-display fingerprint scanner, while the Huawei Y9s comes with a side-mounted fingerprint scanner. And overall I have to say the cameras is much better on the Vivo S1 Pro if you need a camera phone. So thank you so much for watching this speed test comparison between the Vivo S1 Pro and the Huawei Y9s. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter as well, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.